In this video, let me show you how to use ChatGPT on your Android for free. Now, basically, there are two ways of doing this. Either you can download this application of ChatGPT from the Play Store, or you can also use ChatGPT from the web browser. First of all, in order to use the application, what you need to do is head over to the Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and you'll be able to see this application. Make sure you install it on your device. Once the installation has been made, you'll need to sign up quickly, which you can easily do using your Google account. Once you've been signed up, you can just open up the application and you can start using ChatGPT for free. You can type in prompts or ask any questions within this chat field. The second way, as I said, is going to be using a web browser. So open up your preferred web browser. Then you'll need to search for chat.openai.com and make sure that you log into your account if you do have one. If you don't, make sure you create your account using your email address or your Google account as well. As before, you can start typing in any questions or adding in any prompts as you desire. So this is the exact process of using ChatGPT on your Android for free. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. I'm going to see you in the next one.